Your new Google account is set up, your new YouTube channel is set up, and your new Google Ads account is set up. Now all that's left is to link them together and we will be in business. Make sure your YouTube channel is opened in one tab, like you see here, and your Google Ads account is opened in another tab. That way, we can input the information necessary and switch between the two accounts easily. Let's start by going into your Google Ads account. On the top, click on Tools and Settings. And then in the Setup section, click on Linked Accounts. Scroll down to YouTube and click on Details. And then click on Add Channel. Here you'll see it's asking for the URL of your YouTube channel. Let's switch to our YouTube channel tab and grab that URL. To make sure you are on the My Channel section, you can go on to your profile picture on the top right, click on it, and click on Your Channel. Then get the URL and copy the address. Go back to your Google Ads tab and paste that URL here. Select I own this channel. Then click Go to YouTube. This will open up a new tab in your browser. It's now asking you to give this link a name. Just put your business name here and click Link. At this point, your YouTube channel should be successfully linked with your Google Ads account, but let's verify it just in case. We can do that by going to the left-hand side of your YouTube Studio and clicking on Settings. Then click on Channel. Then go to Advanced Settings. And you should see under Google Ads account linking that your new Google Ad account is linked. Very cool. Everything is good on YouTube's end, so we can go ahead and click Close. Now let's go back to our Google Ads tab and check to see if it's linked there as well. So let's go back to our linked accounts main page. Go down to YouTube and click Details. And alright, it says here our YouTube channel is linked here as well. Everything is good on Google Ads end. The linking is confirmed and congratulations! Your accounts are linked and you are ready to go. Now, before we end this episode, I have a question for you. Do you also have another YouTube channel where you have been posting videos that's related to the products and services that you want to promote? If so, we can connect that YouTube channel to this Google Ads account here as well. Just make sure that the other channel you have is relevant to the ads you will be running soon. For example, if you sell vitamin supplements and you are going to run ads from this Google Ads account promoting those products, but you have a YouTube channel where you post funny viral cat videos, you don't need to link those two accounts together because the two niches are not related. However, if your other YouTube channel is about vitamin supplements, then we can link the two accounts together right now. Why? Because in a future episode, I will show you how to run ads to people who have visited your channel, subscribed to your channel, or viewed videos on your channel. Those are your warmest traffic, and running ads to those people will cost you less and give you the highest conversions. Exciting, right? Can't wait. So, if you have another channel with content that's related to what you are planning to promote using this Google Ads account, let's connect those two right now, since the linking process is still very fresh in our minds. I'll use one of my personal channels as an example. In a new tab, I have one of my channels that I also want to link to my Google Ads account. Let's go up and copy the URL of this channel. Now let's go back to our Google Ads tab and in the linked accounts page, click on this plus icon. We saw this before. It's asking for the URL of another channel we want to add. So paste the URL we just copied into this field. And then select I own this channel and click Go to YouTube. At this point, another tab will open and it's asking you to sign in to the second channel account that you are trying to link. Click Sign In. Input the email address and password associated with this second channel and click Next. Just like before, it's asking you to give this link a name. Put in this channel's name in the field and click Link. To verify everything is set up correctly, just like before, we go to the left-hand side of this channel and click on Settings. Click on Channel, then to Advanced Settings. Scroll down and you'll see the Google Ads account has been linked. Now let's close this window. Go back to our Google Ads tab, refresh the linked accounts page, and you should see the second channel is linked. If you want to link additional channels that's related to products and services you plan to promote, you can follow this process again and again. Alright, we are officially done with linking your Google Ads account with your YouTube channel. Congratulations, and give yourself a pat on the back. It wasn't that hard, was it? In the next episode, I will give you a quick tour around the Google Ads interface, help you become more familiar with this platform so that you can really make yourself at home here. I can't wait to share the next episode with you, because if you like Disneyland, you will love that episode. We will run your Google Ads account as if we were running a theme park. It's going to be a very fun episode to watch, and that's a promise. Cheers!